Hey, what's up? I got a really good video for you today. It's like pause. Today I'm going to show you how to make Halloween printable games to sell on Etsy or Shopify or your WooCommerce store or whatever third platform you might be using, okay? In this video, I'm going to give you the keyword targets. I'm going to show you how to create a template quickly and easily. And I'm going to show you actually how to create the games really fast using a piece of software. Also, I'm going to go over some best tips and tricks. Okay. Really important. First thing you want to know is how are people searching online? Now, if I use this keyword tool right here, you'll see that Halloween games for kids. You get Halloween for kids parties, Halloween games for kids, Halloween games for kids indoors. You have a bundle. You have for kids ages 4 to 8, 8 to 12, all kinds of different keywords. And there's other much more sub-niche keywords out there that you can find within the Halloween market. Okay, now what you want to do is go to a potential marketplace like Etsy and put in for one of the keywords, long tail keywords we found. I got a Halloween games for kids party. And if I scroll down, first thing you want to do is forget about the ads here. I mean, even you can glean some information about the ads because if the ads are there long enough, that means people are buying through these ad links, which is also really smart to understand, and you might want to remember that. Okay, so if you see these ads pop up for this keyword time and time again, then you might want to invest within Etsy, for example, for those types of ads on your Halloween listing, so you can get that same traffic and those same sales. Okay, so you want to scroll down past the ads. It says ads by Etsy, ads by Etsy. You scroll down, and you see the organic search here. You see a bunch of different Halloween styles. There's not one definitive style that pops out at me. So I recommend going along the lines of the general consensus. And you get a lot of pumpkins. You get a lot of orange colors popping out at you. You get some bats. You get some spiders. Your regular Halloween fare. So what we're gonna do is create a template like this. Run it through the software, the Crispy Print software, and have these games ready so that we can sell on Etsy. So first thing you want to do is go to, you can use PowerPoint or whatever type of tool you have. I like to use Canva because it's free. You want to put in the dimensions of your template. So for this example, 1063, I'm going to put 1063 by 1375 pixels. Click on that. Okay. So I already have a design already created right here. As you can see, there's a white background. I can change the color of that. I got a pumpkin here, and I got a background here with a Halloween type of theme. I'm going to show you where I got these specific graphics, these elements. You can also go to the Fiverr. If you don't want to create your own background template, you can go to Fiverr and get it done for $5. But if you want to do it on your own, it's really easy to do. Okay, so what you want to do to get these types of elements, you should go to, for example, a site like Pixabay, put in Halloween pattern, for example, at the top. You see it says Halloween pattern, and you want to scroll down and check out the ones that fit the type of theme you're going after, okay? So after you do that, you download it and add it to Canva. Very simple to do, just upload it. Same thing with this pumpkin here. I found this pumpkin on Pixabay. And I have full rights to use it. It was published on March 31st, 2016. So I can use this. And again, I added it on the Canva so I can use it later. Now, what do I do next? What I want to do is make sure that I have a template, what would you call this? Scaffolding, or not scaffolding, but the basic structure of your template. You want to click on the background you decided on. You want to rotate it so that it fits nicely. Maybe you don't want it too big. Let's play around with it here. I'm going to enlarge that just a bit. Okay, good. Now I want to bring it to the back so I can get my reference points again. So position it to the back. So I have this little structured element template here where it shows me where I'm going to add the different elements. Now what I want to do is add a background. So I'm going to go back to elements here. Click on search for a square element. And the cool thing about the square is you can enlarge it, change the dimensions of it, anything you want with it. It's really cool. Very easy to use. Again, Canva is very simple. A lot of drag and drop. And I'm gonna bring that down like that. And I have my background, okay? I can keep it gray, whatever I like. I'm gonna actually push it back to the background so I can add my my main character, the theme element for my game set. So where is the background? Position back. Cool, I have this little box here. I'm gonna go back to uploads, look for my main character here, and just add it to this box section. Okay. I'm gonna maybe change the color to this of this square to white. To do that, I'm gonna remove the scaffolding from my template. Click on the square here. Actually, I should say rectangle now, and look for white within the color section. Voila, I have my background. What you want to do now is click on this. You can name it Halloween, of course. First, name it Halloween. Halloween background. And I'm going to actually download it as a vector. You can download it as a PNG. Vector is higher quality, but you know, PNG still looks great as well. I'm gonna just download one of these. Okay, click download. Get that onto my computer. Now what I'm gonna do next is go to the Crispy Prints Halloween generator here. I have 12 different games. Okay, so I want basically a bundle like these bundles here. Same thing. I'm gonna create that using my tool here. I'm gonna go look for that. Oh, here it is. Here's my background vector. Drag it into the template section, background template section. After I do that, I'm gonna choose a color for the main headers. For the each game has it has a name, so I want to use a color. Let me go back to Canva, see if I can find a nice color here. Color section here. What color should I go for? I'm gonna go for this. What is it? A dark purple. Let me see that here. I'm gonna go for this color here. It's like a dark purple black or something. I'm gonna go back in here, add it to the section here, click select, click select all games, and click create bundle. Now it's gonna create my bundle. It takes about 4 minutes to do a set of 12 games, printable games. Okay, so here we have the set of 12. My computer's a little slow, so forgive the lag. It looks a little pixelated, but if I give it some time, you can see it comes out beautiful. I have the main font here in what's called Creepster, I believe is the font name, is a Google font. And I got 12 of these games. Again, all of them are primed for the Halloween season. Now again, forgive this line. Okay, see now everything looks beautiful. Maybe if I shrink it down, I'll give you a better view. 12 different games. I got an emoji game, fill in the blank game. I have the Would You Dare game, color the costumes, color by numbers, Hallogories, like scattergories, but Hallogories, scary crossword, Halloween scramble, and spooky word search. Okay, so that's a product that now I can sell on sites like Etsy. Okay, I can put these types of products on Etsy and sell them. And if you want to do the same thing, if you want access to the same tool I use to create these Halloween printables and a whole slew of other types of printable products you can create and sell online, then by all means check out the information below. I'm running a sale on access to Crispy Prints, including all of the upgrades. Everything is included. Yours, indefinitely yours. So if you're interested in that, check out the link below and make sure you say hello once you're inside. Okay, be good, take care, and have a wonderful day.